Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel TechWind. Directly getting into the topic, BSNL has introduced a new promotional plan for Rs 399, which is the cheapest FTTH plan in the whole of India. And, surprisingly, the offers of the plan are also not limited. You'll get whopping 30 Mbps speed in the plan. Yes, you heard it right. 30 Mbps. Also, FTTH plans are symmetric, so you'll get 30 Mbps uplink and 3 Mbps downlink. Interesting, right? And, to add here, the FTTH capping is set to a massive 1000 GB. Who else will give such an offer at this cost? Not even Jio. Worried about what happens when you exhausted the 1000 GB? BSNL got you covered in that also. After FTTH, you can continue browsing unlimited at 2 Mbps. Wonderful, right? And as a topping to this fabulous dessert, BSNL also provides free unlimited voice calls coupled to plan. And there's a catch here. The plan is currently available in the states of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Telangana and Kerala only. It is expected to be expanded to other states very soon. So, what are you waiting for? Go, get a BSNL FTTH connection as soon as possible. By the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel.